money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy OD and I'm back with another video, and today we got the Samsung QLED, 65-inch Q8F, because it's a flat screen version. This is 2018 model. We're gonna do is unbox this joint. I'm just basically gonna take it out, throw it on the bed, put the brackets on, show you the ports and everything else. I'm not gonna get too physical into it because this thing is heavy and I'm dolo right now. You know what I mean? Whoever, you know, I put a flat screen up, you know what I mean? You dolo, it's a little harder. So, yeah. So we're going to get into it, you know what I mean? And get this thing rocking. So, let me crack this thing open, throw it on the bed, and then we're going to put the brackets on, show you the ports, and, you know what I mean? Bada boom, bada bang. All right? Be right back. Yep, took it out the box. So there's some dirty substance on here. So this thing don't work, you know, it's going right back. But I'm gonna show you the ports real quick. They're on the side over here. And here's where the power goes. And the cord could lead all the way down to the feet. But we ain't gonna be doing none of that. We're gonna be mounting this joint. So I'll be right back. Put the mounting brackets on. Let me see what it do. Alright, so I got the brackets on. I had to go to Home Depot and buy some different screws. So be warned, if you have a setup like mine, you have to get some different screws. And these are the screws right here. M8 1.25 by 45 millimeter. You need those screws so you can screw it in with this rack. Now it'll be going over here on top of this. What up, what up, what up? So I'm back. Got it all hooked up in the bedroom. So we're gonna share this experience a little bit together. Let's get it popping. Now mind you, I still got the plastic on.
Hello and welcome. Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile to start TV setup.
Alright, SmartThings. I think I have that already. Let's see.
You may press the right button to set up the TV with the TV remote.
SmartThings, got that. Set up TV, let's get it popping. Skip the intro video, don't need all that. Let me see. Allow, and allow. Starting up, I agree. Alright, it's connecting to the Fizzone. TV being registered to my Samsung account, so right now it's connecting. It asks me to verify everything. We're gonna get through that. Boom. Registering up. So I kind of like that. You can use, if you got a Samsung phone, you can use that to set everything up. It's pretty dope. 55% right now. %. Alright. Q. Let's go to the next bit. Go to the next bit. So basically it's like setting everything up with the phone. It's asking you basically to what apps you want. You want Netflix, Hulu, and all that on your TV. It's going to take the Wi-Fi connection that you already have on your phone and put it on your TV. Set that up for you. So that's pretty dope. Now I'm able to control everything with my phone. So it's like having a little remote right here on my phone already. And basically, let's go through it and see how it look. So what I want to do is I want to see how my Xbox looks. So it's this. Let's go into the...
My mom didn't know what drugs were. The one thing I learned from Kitty
I got
is it's
TV
okay to drink all
here.
day long if you're a housewife. So that's my plan.
No, dead ass. I got TV over here. I don't know how.
Sponge cake. So moist.
The ghosts, if the ghosts go to hell, they're basically usurping God's judgment, right? With lasers. Sure, God's fine with it.
All right. I don't know. Or I was using the Pluto app. Okay. I was like, yo, I got TV on here. It kind of bugged me out for a minute. Let's turn on the Xbox.
もしもし。今向かってる。
And let's go to sources. It's detecting source right now. Xbox One detected, changing the source. Alright. I like that, boy. Alright, let's see these graphics. Woo! This thing's looking kind of pretty right now. Let's see. All right. So it's at 4K, suited and booted. Let me see how the game looks. God damn. Graphics is looking real good right now. I don't know if y'all can really see that. The graphics is looking wow right now. They're looking wow. And I don't even think I have it on graphics set, honestly. Let me check. I could have swore I had it for frame rate. Oh, resolution. Prioritized resolution. Yeah, this things look beautiful right now. So I'm gonna peel off this right here. Let's see, into the complete setup. Alright, that's one piece. And that's the other piece right there. Now it does have another plastic coating on it, but this just to give you like the full widescreen view. Now I do have to go in the options and play with it a little bit because I do see the jitteriness, and that's because it's not ready for game mode right now. So I gotta go in the options and set that so that way the frame rate is always on point. I don't know if you notice it jumping a little bit, but that's just an issue with the settings because the TV comes basically, you know, what the TV is for. What it mainly is for watching movies, but you know, we don't watch movies like that. We play games. So, you know what I mean? That's just basically it. If you have any questions for the kid, let me know. You know what I mean? Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the TV or any other my other videos, you know, you just hit me up. Check out the gaming channel. Put the link in the description. Trying to keep posted on there as well, because that's basically where I've been playing this Monster Hunter and Far Cry and stuff like that. All the new games coming out. Try to dibble and dabble. But like I said, any questions, holla at your boy. Please like and sub. And I'll holla at y'all later. Easy.